Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to remove auto-add rules in QuickBooks Online. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, and you do not need any accounting experience to follow along. Auto-add rules in QuickBooks are used to automatically categorize bank transactions. While this can save time, sometimes these rules add transactions incorrectly. When that happens, you may want to remove or turn off those rules. Let's walk through the process. First, log in to your QuickBooks Online account using your email and password. Once you are on the dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. This is your main navigation panel. Next, click on Banking. In some versions, this may be called Transactions and then Banking. This section shows all the bank and credit card transactions connected to your account. At the top of the banking page, you will see multiple tabs like For Review, Categorized, and Rules. Click on the Rules tab. This is where all your bank rules are stored, including the auto-add ones. Now you will see a list of rules you have created. Look through the list and find the rule that has auto-add turned on. There is usually a column that shows whether auto-add is enabled. These rules automatically push transactions into your books without you reviewing them first. To remove the auto-add feature without deleting the whole rule, click on the Edit button next to the rule. A Rule Settings window will open. In this window, look for the checkbox that says something like Automatically Confirm Transactions this rule applies to, or Auto-Add. Uncheck this box. This will stop QuickBooks from automatically adding transactions using this rule. After unchecking the box, scroll down and click Save. The rule will still exist, but transactions will now go to the For Review tab instead of being added automatically. If you want to completely remove the rule, go back to the Rules list, find the rule again, then click the drop-down arrow next to Edit. Choose Delete. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm. Click Yes to permanently delete the rule. After this, the rule will no longer affect any future transactions. Keep in mind that deleting a rule does not undo transactions that were already added. If past transactions were categorized incorrectly, you will need to go to the Categorized tab, open those transactions, and edit them manually. That's it. You now know how to stop auto-add rules and how to delete them entirely in QuickBooks Online. If this helped you, consider subscribing for more simple QuickBooks tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.